Hello people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are in good health. I am back with a new research paper explanation for you today. So, let's get started.
The paper. Sleep Deprivation, Effects on Weight Loss and Weight Loss Maintenance, is a narrative review discussing the impact of sleep deprivation on weight management. The review explores findings from intervention studies on the effects of sleep deprivation on eating habits, metabolic rate, and hormones regulating metabolism. The studies highlight the importance of sleep duration and quality on dietary intake during weight loss trials and maintenance. The review suggests that sleep routines should be considered in weight loss efforts for obese and overweight individuals to improve their overall health. Sufficient sleep is crucial for physical, mental, and emotional health. Optimal sleep duration for adults is 7-9 hours per night with an average of 7.5 hours. Over the past century, average sleep duration has decreased from 9 hours to less than 7 hours per night due to professional and social demands, artificial lighting, and increased use of electronic media. Sleep loss negatively impacts cognitive functions, social interactions, and increases the risk of obesity, poor lipid profiles, type 2 diabetes, cardiovascular diseases, and even premature death. The review included clinical trials and randomized controlled trials, RCTs, involving healthy individuals aiming for weight loss or maintenance. The search was conducted in databases like PubMed, Scopus, Google Scholar, Academia, and Web of Science using specific keywords related to sleep and weight management. A flowchart was used to screen and select studies, with a total of 1539 publications identified. Disagreements during the selection were resolved through discussion among reviewers. Sleep deprivation leads to increased energy intake, particularly from high-fat and high-carbohydrate foods, contributing to weight gain. Studies suggest that better sleep quantity and quality can enhance weight loss efforts. Short sleep duration during calorie restriction results in less fat loss compared to normal sleep duration. Sleep deprivation alters metabolic and endocrine functions, reducing insulin sensitivity and increasing hunger hormones, ghrelin, while decreasing satiety hormones, leptin. There is a reciprocal relationship between sleep and weight management, with sleep deprivation impeding fat loss and adequate sleep promoting better weight control outcomes. Several key studies are highlighted in the review. One notable study by Nedelcheva et al. 2010 found that sleep curtailment decreased the proportion of weight lost as fat during calorie restriction. In this study, participants who slept only 5.5 hours per night lost 55% less fat compared to those who slept 8.5 hours, despite both groups having the same caloric intake. This suggests that insufficient sleep can reduce the effectiveness of weight loss efforts by altering the body's ability to metabolize fat. Another important study by Steinberg et al., which was observational, indicated that preventing weight gain improved sleep outcomes. Participants who avoided weight gain reported better sleep quality and duration, highlighting the bidirectional relationship between sleep and weight. Adequate sleep appears to facilitate weight maintenance, while weight gain can further disrupt sleep patterns. Wang et al. Conducted a randomized trial that demonstrated the impact of sleep duration on weight loss. Participants who reduced their sleep by 1 hour or more per week experienced lower fat loss compared to those who maintained their usual sleep duration while on a hypocaloric diet. This finding underscores the importance of maintaining sufficient sleep to support effective weight loss. The review also delves into the mechanisms through which sleep deprivation influences weight. One major factor is the impact on appetite-regulating hormones. Sleep deprivation increases levels of ghrelin, a hormone that stimulates hunger, and decreases levels of leptin, a hormone that signals satiety. This hormonal imbalance leads to increased food intake, particularly cravings for high-calorie foods, which can contribute to weight gain. Furthermore, sleep deprivation negatively affects glucose metabolism and insulin sensitivity. Reduced insulin sensitivity, or insulin resistance, is a key factor in the development of type 2 diabetes and can hinder weight loss efforts. When the body is less responsive to insulin, it requires more insulin to manage blood glucose levels, which can promote fat storage and impede weight loss. The review also notes that sleep deprivation can impact physical activity levels. Individuals who are sleep deprived often experience fatigue and reduced motivation to engage in physical activity, which can further contribute to weight gain. Regular physical activity is essential for weight loss and maintenance, and reduced physical activity due to sleep deprivation can create a vicious cycle that hinders weight management efforts. In addition to these physiological effects, Sleep deprivation can also influence behavioral factors related to weight management. Lack of sleep can impair cognitive function, decision-making, and emotional regulation, leading to poor dietary choices and increased consumption of unhealthy foods. Sleep-deprived individuals may also be more likely to engage in late-night eating, which can contribute to weight gain. The review concludes that poor sleep adversely affects weight management. It emphasizes the need to consider sleep patterns in designing weight loss and maintenance programs, highlighting the multifactorial mechanisms through which sleep influences dietary intake and metabolism. This comprehensive review underlines the significant role of sleep in weight management and encourages integrating sleep improvements into weight loss strategies for better health outcomes. To summarize, the review makes a compelling case for the importance of adequate sleep in weight management. It provides evidence from various studies that highlight the negative impact of sleep deprivation on hormonal regulation, metabolic function, and behavioral factors that influence weight. The findings suggest that addressing sleep duration and quality should be a critical component of weight loss and maintenance programs. By improving sleep patterns, individuals may enhance their ability to lose weight, maintain weight loss, and improve overall health outcomes. As such, healthcare providers and individuals seeking to manage their weight should prioritize sleep as part of a holistic approach to health and wellness.